up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy and Kenton are here. We're up early. R32 breakfast. No hood style, so we ain't looking for no trouble. This is gonna be fun. Got the gauges up.
Yeah, just in case. Still apprehensive.
Apprehensive.
I drove it all the way down to exit 4 and back yesterday.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, so it's not.
It was nice though.
Yeah, it was nice yesterday.
Until May.
really needs coilovers.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. You start going a little, and an alignment really bad. You start going too fast. The steering wheel starts doing this.
With the slicks on.
Yeah, but I don't really want to. Do too much till I get some more suspension components.
Right.
You know.
Your four-wheel drive lights.
Yeah. We got to bleed the Ateza still, so it's in two-wheel drive mode.
Heck yeah.
But.
Quick check. Turbo still spinning. We're good.
Uh-oh.
Code starting 85.
Sounds like it's missing.
Once the battery voltage hit.
They make a Gretty thing that just replaces this and puts a throttle body up here.
Oh, nice.
And it just bolts onto that. On the SR20s, keeping the stock intake manifold is kind of a big deal.
Right.
It keeps your low end torque up.
Heck yeah.
I'll put a light on it just so.
Yeah, it'll look a little better.
Under there, but
Yep. All right, guys, we're back at the shop. We done got to work, and another Skyline. It's been
wild
dropped.
Skyline has appeared.
Yeah, all of the Skylines, and 90s JDM car, and then you got this fellow over here. You know, that we took to breakfast. What do you think about the first outing?
Yeah, I mean, we definitely got things to fix, but you know, to make it a full street car, I mean, we had the heat blasting, we had to roll the windows down, it's getting so nice and warm inside, but you know, there's a couple things. I need to do some suspension work. And then we got to clean up a bunch of stuff in the engine bay still.
Yeah, and the wiring.
Yeah,
But
we got a little bit to crunch time on the dyno, and then everybody knows how that goes. You get it on the dyno, it does good, and then you don't even want to work on anything. But.
And then, guys, we got new shirts in.
Oh yeah, already got it dirty.
Yep, already got it dirty. Turn around. Look at that. So hit us up on the Facebook page or Instagram if you want a shirt.
We got gray and black in this style, and then we got black with the TK
orange.
AutoWorks, and then the big TK AutoWorks on the back instead of the GT-R if you're not a GT-R guy.
And then we'll have some midnight purple shirts coming too, and Betty White, and yeah, and then for my Mitsubishi boys, maybe a Mitsubishi shirt. What do y'all think? But today we got a Skyline in.
Looks like downpipe and everything.
Yep, downpipes, full turbo back exhaust. So we're going to show you the stock boy Skyline sound, and then see what she sounds like after she's got some pipes. But man, these things are cool. This would be like the ultimate daily. I'm a Skyline boy, just trying to make it. Dang, look at that, Adrian.
I know, it's so nice to get to.
Oh my God.
You can actually see the oil filter from the top too.
Oh yeah, you can. It's that blue thing off in there.
I have a soft spot for these RB20s too.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't like them, but
I think they're cool.
an inline six that's 2 liters. I mean, on paper, it should be a rev monster of a little bit of work.
But yeah, this is a buddy's car.
Yep. Good old Levi.
Yep. But it's pretty clean though.
Yep.
I don't really see no bad spots on it. I like the color.
Yeah, it's different than the GT-R grays.
Yeah, that's
you know what I mean.
Yeah.
It's cool that they kind of gave them their own color.
Right. His wheels got the center caps.
I know. He's got one up on me already.
Adrian's jelly. Yep. But Adrian's gonna get knocking this out, and then well, actually, do you want to give him a code start?
Yeah.
Keys are on the cow. Let's hear this RB20 rumble. Uh-oh, a little turbo noise.
I don't know, might need one of these for daily.
I know, that's what I'm thinking too.
Get rid of all the Subarus.
Don't say that. But all right, guys, he's gonna get to knocking out this exhaust, and then we'll show you what it sounds like after we got it put on. But shiny new things going on. All right, guys, Adrian's about got her wrapped up. But got the nice new exhaust on.
You're going to attempt to do
Do what?
If you're gonna attempt to do this job yourself, make sure you have a torch ready.
Oh, yeah. These old bolts are not so easy to get off. And make sure you have like all the sockets, because you definitely got to have some special stuff.
Yeah, some short wrenches and some low profile sockets.
But ready to let her down?
Yep. Good to go.
Let's hear this RB rumble. Do 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 do. But that new shirt though.
Yeah. We'll mail them. Just gotta pay shipping.
Yep. Just let us know. All right, here we go, guys. Cold start. Oh. Sounds good.
Sounds way better.
Yeah.
It actually sounds like an RV now.
Yeah, exactly. I like it.
Yeah.
And you get a little bit turbo noise.
Yeah. I need one for a daily.
Yep.
Done.
Right.
Done and dusted.
Drop a comment below if you got one for sale.
So that was the all-wheel drive one.
Huh?
I need the all-wheel drive one.
Is that an M type?
That's the GTS4.
GTS4, okay.
Yeah. I don't know if this one's considered a GTST, even though
I think
it's
it is.
RB20. I don't know. I'm not quite spooled up on the four-door life.
Yeah, it says GTST.
Nice.
Super clean car. All right, guys, hit that subscribe button if you like this video. We got some more parts coming for the Midnight Purple R33 from Japan.
Yeah, give this guy internet, and next thing you know, he's got more parts coming.
All I wanted was floor mats.
Yeah.
And it went down a wormhole. It was not a good experience. But parts were ordered. They're on their way. So as soon as they get here, we'll have some more stuff from that. And I think they should be here Friday. So fingers crossed. But yeah, we got some more stuff coming from this. We got some more to do to that and that. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. And we'll catch y'all guys in the next episode. Peace.